Shave the treatment area with the razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Apply a generous layer of gel to the treatment area. Provide goggles for the client. Set parameters. Select the gender of the recipient. Skin tone selection. The default skin tone is I. Adjust the skin tone based on the recipient's conditions. Recommended pulse time, 70 ms. Recommended energy, 30 J. Recommended frequency, 2 Hz. Utilize a stamping technique to cover the entire area, starting horizontally and then moving vertically. Scrape off the gel using the scraper and wipe away any residue with tissues. Note: 1. Follow a regular routine post-operation and balance work with rest. 2. Avoid steam sauna, hot springs, swimming, and sun exposure for the next 7 days. Take one session every 22 to 32 days, complete 6 to 12 sessions in total, and customize the treatment schedule based on the individual's condition. Contraindications: individuals who are exposed to the blazing sun for quite a long time, people with photosensitive skin, and those who are using photosensitizing drugs, oral isotretinoin users, pregnant women, diabetic, people with keloid scars, potential skin cancer patients.